Archimedes principle. You can see that the weight of the block hung to the spring balance is 100 grams. When this block is immersed in water partially or completely, it displaces water in the beaker. The volume of this displaced water is equal to the volume of immersed part of the block. The buoyant force experienced by the block causes the apparent loss in weight of the block. According to the Archimedes principle, the apparent loss in weight of the block is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the block. Let us understand this through the given animation. On immersing the block partially into the water for the first time, the apparent loss in weight of the block is 25 grams, and the weight of the water displaced by the block, which is collected in measuring cylinder, is also 25 grams. Again, on immersing the block further into the water, the apparent loss weight of the block becomes 50 grams, and the weight of the water collected in measuring cylinder also becomes 50 grams. On immersing the block further, the apparent loss in weight of the block is 75 grams, and weight of the water collected in the measuring cylinder is also 75 grams. Hence, thus, according to the Archimedes principle, when a body is immersed in a fluid partially or completely, a buoyant force acts on it. This buoyant force causes the apparent loss in weight of the body. The apparent loss in weight of the block is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body.